Alright everyone, first test here. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but here we go. Here's Fetch, FETUSD. I always like to start on the weekly charts and do a top-down approach from weekly down to daily, down to 4 hour, but for crypto, I mainly just like to look at weekly and daily charts. So as you can see here, it looks like it's a big bottoming out play that is just breaking out and starting a new trend, a new bull trend here. It's like a possible inverse head and shoulders pattern. You can see the shoulder here, and the head down here. It's starting to form a base up here. I mainly like to use just price action with the candles, chart patterns, support and resistance, some trend lines, and moving averages, well, EMAs and SMAs. So the orange right here is a 9-day weekly. We're on the weekly chart here. 9-day weekly EMA and 20-day EMA. And then I also like to look at 200-day and 50-day SMA. So as we know, if the shorter EMA time frame peaks above the longer time frame moving averages, it's more of a bullish signal, and you can see it has trended nicely above the 9-day EMA, showing its bullishness since about the start of January 2021. This is the USD chart, so we could change it to the daily. Well, first thing to note, you could see the volume has been increasing this whole bullish move, so further enhances the bullish narrative. And I could change it down here to the daily. You can see the support forming right here, touching on the 9-day EMA and now the 20-day, the green right here, perfectly bouncing off support. Volumes kind of mid, but it's still holding strong. Looks like we'll see if this breaks down, then we'll be a little bit more bearish, more concerned, but everything looks good so far. So I also like to chart it against the BTC pair and the Ethereum pair. So here goes the BTC pair. Let's start off at the weekly. Let's see. So here on the weekly, you can see that the huge bottom accumulation zone down here looks like from July 2019 all the way till now. So nearly 2 years it's been chilling down here. And looks like it has turned previous resistance from August 2020 when it initially broke down back in July 2019 into support. So it has flipped it, and you can see some increasing volume here on the breakout. And right now we're actually perfectly at support on the FETBTC pair. And these are my targets. So entry would be based on the USD pair on the daily chart would be more volume on a hold off this support right here, or breakout past this 80-ish range. And if we could break above this right here with good volume, I'd be more confident in the play. And also confluent with the bounce off support right here to flip. To confirm this flip of resistance turned into support onto our next target around here at 2700 sats, followed by around 4700 stats. And these are the percentage targets of what you would gain on your Bitcoin pair. And also like to look at the Ethereum pairs as well. As you can see, a huge double bottom pattern here. Looks like the midline, the neckline, whatever, is right here around 4,500 ETH. We're still about to touch down, actually right back to old previous support. And then if we bounce here, if we hold this, I assume we'd go back up to the 4,500 area and continue to further upside. And you zoom in, you can see the volume increasing as well, further confirming our bullish signal. So here you go, that's my first vid, FET, and you could find it on KuCoin. And if you have any questions on where to find these coins or how to track them, a website I like to use is CoinGecko. You could just search right here, FET. It's number 144 of the top coins in the whole crypto ecosystem. Market cap of 465 milli. And CoinGecko, you could check the markets that it's available on as well. It's on Binance, and you can see it's on KuCoin here as well. So Binance right now, if you don't use a VPN, even I use a VPN and got blocked. Not supposed to allow US users, so I've been using KuCoin for a while, so you can cop it there. This is my first video. Hope you found it useful, and peace.